Hey boys and girls, so we're going to do a direct drawing for what sound, what sound, what sound, how do I write V? And our animal today is actually a snake, but it's a type of snake called a viper, a viper snake. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start at the top. We're going to do a circle, or more of an oval, really, for his head. Go ahead and do that now. Then we're going to come down from his head and do a curve line, a couple of curve lines, and then curve back under for his body. And then I'm going to actually go in and erase, let me make sure I got my eraser, right here so that his head is more connected. Okay. So we've got his body. I'm going to go back to his face and do his eye. So I'm going to do a circle and then color in the bottom for his eye. And then I'm going to go ahead and do where his fangs are coming out here. Alright, and then we're going to put some triangle stripes on him here. So kind of put like little triangles along the back of them for his scales. Doesn't have to be perfect, just close enough. And then on the bottom, I'm just going to do some little lines, some little dash lines like this. Some short little lines. And that's it for the viper. He's pretty easy to draw, huh? Alright, so what sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write V? Viper. V I P E R. Viper. Alright, so then I'm actually going to go back. I'm going to change this to red. There we go. And then it looks like his body is mostly green. And then his little triangles are mostly brown. So I'm going to go back in, try to color some of them brown. Alright, let's try to think of some other things that start like V while we're coloring. Violin. There's another music instrument called a viola that starts with V. The name Victor, the name Victoria. Victory, like if you have a victory, that means you win. Victory. Vase, that you put flowers in. Vase. The color violet, that's a purple. Violet is another way of saying purple. It can also be a name. Alright, now I'm going to color his body green. So I'm going to go in and get my green. Alright, try to do your best coloring. Try to stay in the lines. Try to color up all the white space. Try not to do it too fast. That's when we mess up. Do your best coloring. Color in the rest here. Alright, so what sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write? V. And again, this is a snake, but the word snake does not match a letter V sound for V, so we'd have to call him a viper. Viper. Viper snakes. That's a venomous snake. Oh, venomous. There's another word that starts with V. Venomous means like poisonous. It means they could hurt you. Not all snakes are venomous, though. Some are actually good for us in the gardens. All right, I'm going to stop there, but you know to color in the rest. Do your best coloring, and I can't wait to see what your pictures look like. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.